Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve virtual events with Hopin, complete guide step by step clearly. First, sign in to your Hopin account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to access your event settings. Click on the Create Event button to start a new virtual event. Select the event type that suits your needs, such as conference, workshop, or meetup. Set your event details, including the name, date, time, and duration. Customize the event layout by choosing from different session formats like main stage, breakout rooms, and networking areas. In the event settings, adjust the privacy options, deciding whether your event will be public or private. Add speakers and moderators by clicking on the Speakers tab and filling in their information. Upload promotional materials, such as event banners and logos, to enhance your event's branding. Set up ticketing options by navigating to the Tickets section and selecting the types of tickets you want to offer. Define pricing, if applicable, and adjust the registration process to suit your audience. Consider adding interactive elements like polls, Q&A sessions, and live chat to engage your attendees. Before launching your event, run a rehearsal to test your technology and ensure everything functions smoothly. Review your event agenda to confirm that all sessions are appropriately scheduled and that speakers are ready. Promote your event using social media, email campaigns, and community outreach to reach a wider audience. On the event day, log in early to manage the setup and address any last-minute issues. As attendees join, monitor their experience and engagement, providing support where necessary. Utilize analytics tools in Hopin to track participation, audience feedback, and overall success. After the event, gather insights from the data collected to evaluate what worked well and what can be improved for future events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.